Hello everyone, it's Melly. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. If you are, please don't forget to subscribe down below. If you like my content, I will be very happy to welcome you into our community. And for those of you who return to my channel, thank you so very much. I really appreciate it. Today it's another collab. I really like collaboration because it's a way to get close to people and to get creative together. So it's really something that I appreciate doing, and thank you so very much for the people who wants to collaborate with me. So today we have Tammy Beauty Tutorials here on YouTube, obviously. And she's a very, I was gonna say sweet girl, but sweet woman. And she's very talented and creative about her look, and her channel, it's all about Disney makeup look, Marvel makeup look. She took inspiration with those kind of universe, can I say that? She's doing recreation or more like inspired makeup look, and that's what we are going to do today, because as I say, she's doing Disney princesses inspiration makeup look as I'm doing on my channel. So we decided today to do the look of TIANA. So go subscribe to her, go check out her video. The video will be linked down below obviously, as well as her channel. Thank you again for wanting to collaborate with me. I'm very honored. If you're coming from Tammy's channel, welcome. I'm very happy to see you here. I hope that you will like what you see and that you will want to stick around with me. So subscribe, go subscribe to Tammy, and let's begin. So like I said, today we are doing the TIANA version. I think that she's doing the wedding of TIANA, but I don't know which one actually, if it's the one when she's human or the one when she's a frog and becoming princess, because I don't know if you know that Disney. TIANA is the princess from the Princess and the Frog, and she is a very hardworking princess, and she has dream, but she's not a dreamy person, meaning she's not like, oh, I dream upon a star, you know, kind of style, but really hardworking, and she's working 2 jobs to get what she wants. She's very an inspiration, actually, I think. It's kind of the first time, is it, that we have that kind of princess, really? Oh, no, it's not the first time. We have Mulan as well. But, you know, very, very strong-headed, and she doesn't wait for stuff to appear to her, you know, she's working for that, she's working for a goal. So I think she's really a modern princess that we can really look up to. So I really like her. Not my favorite yet, but I really like her. It's a black princess. Obviously I will not become black for this video. I will stay as white as a fair lady. Sorry about the noise, it's my girl, my baby girl. So as I say, TIANA is a very smart girl and going for what she wants. Going for a goal, which is to buy a restaurant and to become an owner, to become an entrepreneur. I think that is so cool. So I want to do something kind of fierce, and doing with the color of TIANA. She has a blue gown in the movie, and she has also a green and white creamy dress. And as she's a frog during the most part of the movie, I want to go for the green. So I did just put foundation, concealer and powder. So I'm gonna finish the face with you guys. So I'm gonna bronze first, and I'm gonna use this one from Nebla. It's the color Ambra. Here it is. It's a beautiful, beautiful bronzer. I really like it. It's very natural on the skin, and I really like the result. The result. It's quite enjoyable. For blush, I would have gone with a more red one, but I don't have one at the moment. I really have the Hourglass. I think there is a new one with a more red tone that I really want to try. but I don't have it at the moment. So I'm gonna go with this palette from BH Cosmetic. You know, the Melly palette that I really like. And I want to go with Peach Please, the more orangey dark one. And I'm go with that, and maybe a little bit of, let me show you. I bought from Lunar Beauty this beautiful palette. I mean, look at this gorgeousness. It's just wow. And there are some 3D effect right here on the planet. I mean, it's just the most beautiful thing I have ever seen. And I think I will mix this color that I showed you before with Spacey, which is like a wine brownish color. So it will, I hope, with the orange, you know, be a good mixture. We'll see. Yeah, I like it. Because I didn't want to have quite like orange on my cheek for this look, but more on the red side, like I said before. Oh, it is pigmented. Not sure, I will blend that after. As I want to be a little bit more bronzed, I think I'm gonna try Gravity, which is just under, which is more on the brown side. I really like the combo of those two blushes, but I'm gonna try. Oh, I think they're quite pigmented, so just to help bring a little bit more depth, I'm gonna blend all of that together. I put the base pillows on, and first off I am going with the Beauty Bay palette pastel one with the color Serenity. And I'm gonna place this color in the kind of in the middle of the lid. Then from BH Cosmetic, the Avocado Toast palette, I will go with Avo Toast. Oops. This green. And I will place the color right next to it on the side of the outer E. It's a beautiful green. Then I am taking my palette Melt Cosmetic Smoke Session, and I am going with Space Queen, which is a dark green, like a dark military green, and with a brush which is angled. It's going to help me create the shape that I want. So I am going from the end of my line right here, and like the line is continuing. Something like that. Now we have the shape, and I'm going to put the same color in the empty space that we have. For the moment, we don't care about the blend. We're just placing the color. Now with a fluffy brush with nothing on it, I'm gonna slowly blend the colors. And as I want the greens, the different greens to be visible, I'm gonna put again the same color to build the intensity. I really like it. What do you guys think? Good. I am continue with the color Has from the BH Cosmetic palette, Avocado. Let me do a little swatch. Oh, it's so beautiful. Right here, it's like an olive gold kind of green. It's absolutely beautiful. And I'm going to like finish the eye, do the inner corner with that color. I put some Pillowy's base right in the inner corner, and I want to go with the palette Beauty Bay and Nikki Tutorials to go for Ivy right here, which is kind of icy glitters type of colors. It's not as vibrant as I want it to. Hold on. I am taking my highlighter from Marc Jacobs, which is called Worth the Wait. This one, which is kind of a vanilla frozen type of highlight, and normally this one is really blinding. So on top, good. Yeah, see, now we can see it. I'm gonna take from the same palette the Avocado, this one, and I am going to place it with my finger a little bit right in the middle of the eyes. And I think I will go with Extra, this green right here, a little bit on the more dark green. With the highlight, I will put some under my brows right here. And you know what? I forgot to put highlight. I mean, who am I? So I will take a little bit of Dior Skin Nude Luminizer Lolly Glow. This one. Just a little bit, kind of a little bit as a topper for the blush, because it's a little bit dark for my skin, but it's so pretty. And I think I will go with Marc Jacobs highlight to stay on the same journey here. This highlight is just everything. Everything and more. I love it. Okay, I have this idea of doing kind of Evangeline star, because in the movie there is a little, how do you say that in English? Luciole. I will put it right here. It's a little bug which has a light on her tail that glow during the night. Okay. And his name is Raymond, and is in love with a star that he called Evangeline. I think it's so freaking cute. So the idea is to do like a little star right here. I'm so afraid of messing that up. Or right here. And I have this product from Suva Beauty. It's a Hydra Liner. So you're supposed to put some water to activate it. So I have my Mist and Fist from Beauty Maker. Okay, I will put some. Okay, it's my first time trying this kind of product, so maybe it's gonna be a mess. Okay, and I'm taking some of the kind of paint. Do I dare? I hope it's pretty. Oh god. It's the first time that I'm using that kind of product, but I really wanted one to do some lines and you know, that kind of stuff. Do I add a white line right? Oh shoot, I put some white right here. try. And it's not pretty. I don't like it. So I am going to fix it and I'll be right back. I fixed it. I put some mascara. I have the lashes from Makeup Geek, which is Graceful. Yeah, Graceful. And what else did I do? A little bit of liner. I use NYX. And now I'm gonna do the lips. I don't know if I said before, but obviously this is not what TIANA is wearing as a makeup during the movie. It's just inspired by TIANA. I wanted to do something very structured and yeah, like not a strict shape, but you know, to show her more hardworking side and very, you know what I mean? Square? Can I say that in English? I don't know. So yeah, it's inspired by her. Obviously, that's not the makeup that she's wearing. The lips. Now, she's wearing like a dark red kind of plump lips in the movie. I don't have really a dark red. But I have some color right here. I don't know yet which one to choose. I have the Bitery one, this color. It's only in the plum side. This one, maybe it's not dark enough. This one from NYX. This one is kind of good. And we have this one that Kate gave me. This one, which is a pretty good color to put some liner on. This one is from Art Deco. Number 8. So as you can see, I am going over my natural lips. And then I am going right on the line of my like real shape. And here the same, I am going on the line of my lips. And as I am moving forward, I will go a little bit under. They are quite similar in color. The first one is this one, Crème d'Argent, I think it's. Hauteur Crème? No, Belle en Argent, sorry. Belle en Argent, it's the brand. Right here, and here we have NYX. Okay, I think I'm gonna go for Belle en Argent. Which is called Smoking on Screen. I hope that you like the look. I can't wait to see your look, Tammy, and how you created it. If you like the video, please put a thumbs up. That really helps me. Share with a friend who loves makeup as well. And I see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye bye.